In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own workflows in Calendly. Whether you're looking to streamline your scheduling process or automate routine tasks, understanding how to navigate and utilize workflows can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive right in and get started. On your Calendly dashboard, glance towards the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll notice a collection of icons, each representing different features. Locate the icon resembling a branching workflow. This is your starting point, so go ahead and click on it to begin creating a new workflow. Once you've selected the workflow icon, shift your focus to the right side of your screen. You'll see a plus sign followed by the text New Workflow. Click on this to initiate the process of creating your own custom workflow tailored to your specific needs. After clicking, you'll be prompted to create your own workflow. At this stage, you can decide when this workflow should be triggered. Consider your specific situation and choose what suits it best. Maybe you want it to activate when a new event is scheduled, or perhaps when an event is canceled. This feature gives you the flexibility to customize your workflows based on your requirements. Additionally, if timing is crucial, you can further tailor it by editing the time frame, ensuring that the workflow operates exactly when you want it to. Next comes the Do This Action section, which provides a multitude of options. Take a moment to scroll through and select whatever actions align with your objectives. Whether it's sending a follow-up email or generating a reminder notification, you can choose actions that directly support your workflow goals. Once you've configured both the triggering events and the actions, click on Next. Now you're ready to give your workflow a name. Naming it something relevant to its function can help you easily identify it later. You also have the option to refine which event types this workflow should apply to, offering even more customization. If you're looking to add a bit more complexity or efficiency, consider adding more actions at this point. Calendly allows you to stack multiple actions within a single workflow, so think about what other tasks could be automated alongside your primary action. Once everything is set, the final step is to save your work. Double-check your settings, make any last-minute adjustments if needed, and then hit that Save button. Just like that, you've successfully created a custom workflow within Calendly, tailored to optimize your scheduling process. With these steps, you're now equipped to take full advantage of Calendly's workflow features, bringing a new level of efficiency and automation to your scheduling tasks. Feel free to experiment with different triggers and actions to see what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you make the most out of your Calendly experience.